for pa. Na a board da kwam. Na driver do no twa fan wo bia hu nyanta se wo fa board. Na a board da na mu twam ko. Na mu twam ko ba. Na mu twam ko ba. Na mu twam ko ba. Hey. Hey. Parkway. Hey, Master, parkway. Parkway. Hey, I said stop there, parkway, you are going. My friend, off your engine, You are driving in DV plates. Do you know that? You are driving in DV plate. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
How many are you in the car? How many are you inside the car?
We are 3, but we went to some place.
No. I'm asking you. Okay, come on, get up. All of you get up. All of you get up. When you say, wouldn't law nature say, in fact, give you funny passing. Two.
No, we were coming from a certain place.
You are coming from a certain place. So that means you are coming from a certain place. So that means you can do anything you want.
No,
you can take.
Please, my girlfriend. And
Who is your girlfriend?
This guy who gave me that girlfriend.
This guy.
I rented it.
This one, Massa. You are 4 in the car. You are 4.
We are just 3.
What shows you are? You are 2.
Why?
Look at you. You are 2. See here.
But nobody.
10. Let me see. 10.
Officer,
No, wait. I'm coming. Let me do my work.
This is not part of your work.
10. Let me see. 10. Let me see.
Officer.
How can this be 1? How can this be 1? You are 2. You are 2.
What should?
What shows?
Yeah.
Look at her. Look at her. That fat, big, everything lady. You say she should be 1.
Officer, don't worry.
Okay.
We know we have committed.
Can I see your logbook? Your logbook.
What?
He knows. What's the problem? I'm going to say I'm going to Yes, DV plate. FN 2. No one for 3 hours. We are coming from somewhere, and let me see your logbook. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You see that? You see that? You see? You see? Have you seen it?
And besides, officer, here is not a barrier.
Oh.
You know it. Yeah.
Hey.
Here is an isolated place. You shouldn't have to.
Is that what you are saying?
Yeah, it's true.
I'm a policeman and you are a civilian. I'm on duty. I can do my work at anywhere, anytime, every day. I just said, anytime I'm on service. And I'm with the You think it's Sunday, so there's no policeman in the street. Once I'm in uniform, I'm doing my duty. Are you challenging police? My friend, are you challenging police?
No, I am not challenging.
Are you challenging me?
He's not challenging, but just that you are embarrassing us.
We are not fighting, but don't challenge my job. Do you know the law? Answer our committee. Will that book in way? Who's on book here?
Then I
You forgot. You forgot to book. Offense number 1.
Oh.
Okay, can I see your license?
My license, I left it.
Yes. You left your license at home. Man, you are not serious. How can you go to a farm without your cutlass? What are you telling me? What are you telling me?
Officer, today is Sunday and I was unaware about everything.
Today is Sunday.
I didn't know this incident will happen. So you just pardon us today so that tomorrow. Okay.
Today is Sunday, so the law is not working on Sundays, right? The law is not working. You, this guy. I'll take you to Central right now. I will take this guy to Central. I will take you to Central.
What have I done?
I will take both of you to Central. Look at your shape. You are murdering the car. You are murdering this car. You're supposed to sit maybe Tundra or Takreta or Caterpillar, not this Skoda. Not this Skoda.
I don't like your embarrassment.
What is embarrassment? Do you know embarrassment? This is embarrassment. This is called embarrassment.
Officer.
Do you know what is embarrassment? You embarrass the street with this thing and you are telling me you don't like what
Officer, don't worry. Yeah, you know.
Master.
You policemen and civilian, we are the same, man.
Yeah.
Do you know, sir, I even have one brother, one policeman at Swami Police Station.
I don't care. I don't care about that.
Police is our friend. And,
who is your friend? Am I your friend?
And besides that,
Do you know me?
Oh, officer.
Have you seen me before? You are murdering the car. You are murdering the car.
Why?
You are murdering the car.
Officer,
Why?
please,
Why? Hey, you don't talk. If I see your lies, I become angry.
Officer,
Don't talk again.
officer, in my
Then
whole life, I have served flawlessly, by police people flawlessly. So you have to use this as a pardon.
Use what as a pattern?
Pardon now.
Pardon who? Do you know what you are saying?
To the certain place.
You are going to a certain place? So the place you are going is more important than my work? Where you are going is more serious than what I'm doing here? So you want to tell me that I don't know what I'm doing?
Officer, cool your temper.
Do you know me?
Officer, cool your temper.
Go and ask everybody.
Officer,
Ask everybody.
we are not fighting. This is not a situation by matter of fight.
I'm not a simple policeman.
Please. Oh, officer. Oh, officer. You know.
Don't touch me like that.
Officer.
What?
What?
You are bribing me
No.
with 20 Ghana cedis? Hey! You have spoiled your case. The case has been spoiled.
That's not a bribe.
How if I tell you I need a bribe or I need a money?
Officer, in fact, what you are doing is
I don't take bribe.
No.
I don't take
What
bribe.
you are doing is
I don't take bribe.
You have told us that you should. Why?
I don't take bribe. This offense is serious.
I
I'll
have
take
my
you to.
license at home, and we can.
Okay,
we know we have a-
okay, give me your car key.
Take us to the station.
Okay, give me your car key,
Take us
and
to
I'm
Wait,
giving you.
get into the car. Let
If a man like me, move the car.
I can move.
If a man like me, move this car.
I can move.
If a man, move this car.
Yes,
You
why?
don't sit inside the car.
So
You
what?
stay here.
What do you want us to do?
If a man like me, move the car. And
We
you
can
say,
go to the police station. You said
Yes.
you have committed.
Yes.
We can go to the police
Yes.
station.
yes. Hey, give me the car. I'll drive the car.
You would drive the
Yes,
car.
I'll drive the car to
What
the police.
shows that you know how to drive?
I'm a policeman and I'm a police driver and I have my license here.
So where is your car?
So you
Where is your
want-
car?
Where's my car?
Where is your license?
My car's at
Where
home. My
is your
car.
license?
You sit down. You sit down. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go. Yes, we are going. We are going. Master, sit down.
We will go.
We are going.
We
You give it to me.
civilians
It's okay. Give it to me. Who can't see me? Get it. Next time. Drive safely. Next time, don't do that again. And check your girlfriend diet. She's becoming more big and bigger and fatter. You have too much fatter. Fattest. Go.
Police officer, I will.
Oh, no.
Yes, I will report you.
You must be careful.
You don't know me too.
Who are you?
Okay.
Oh,
You will hear from
yo, move. Next time, don't do that again.
You will hear from me.
You hear from me from where? I hear from you
Yes,
from
yes.
where? Where
I
from you?
hear you.
You get go. Look at them. I didn't wait to answer that. Come. Go, get it. Oh. Station officer, I read. One balance, you are no boss. You could walk with.
Abai.
Yo. I hope we didn't see anything.
Abai.
Well, hurry.